This AI tool generates full-length scripts and blog posts in seconds. We all need content. Content is king, and the need for new and fresh content is only increasing. Posting daily or even multiple times a day is a real challenge. Writers and social media managers can be expensive, and constantly coming up with new ideas on your own can burn you out. Thanks to AI, we now have an abundance of tools that can help us with the content creation process. And of course today, we have a new contender, Cohesive AI. So what is Cohesive AI and how does it work? Cohesive AI is the latest tool in the world of artificial intelligence. It's a powerful new content generator that combines multiple AI systems and enables them to work in harmony. It can create scripts, blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, and even has a voice generator. It's taken a lot of tools you'd have to sign up for separately and packaging it all into one seamless tool. Creating scripts, voiceovers, and even full-fledged blog posts has never been easier. Let's get into how Cohesive AI can generate an entire YouTube script in a few seconds, but first hit the like button. Signing up with Cohesive AI is so easy and doesn't even require a credit card to get started. I left a link in the description if you're interested in trying it out, and by using my link, you're helping support the channel. The dashboard is clean and straightforward. You can simply begin typing in the text box at the top, or select from one of the templates. When you select a template like the YouTube script, the prompt will autofill with the specific type of content you want to generate, and all you have to do is fill in the blank. You can then specify the target audience, video length, and include any reference links. Similarly with a blog post, tell it what you want it to write, and then include keywords, your goal or call to action, the writing tone, word count, and links. The voice tab is truly impressive. A lot of other voice generators still have a robotic tone and don't sound fully human, but these voices are different.
The waves crashed against the shore in a steady rhythm, a symphony of sound that echoed through the night.
A symphony of sound that echoed through the night.
As ondas batiam na praia em ritmo constante.
ध्वनि की एक सिम्फनी जो पूरी रात गूंजती रही.
These are the first voices I've heard that are really convincing and would be hard to tell that they're not real. You can hear little details in the voice like inhalations that make them sound authentic. The overall flow of speaking and transition from word to word are really well done. Not only are there just English speakers, but you can choose from many different languages like Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, French, Italian, German, Polish, and even Japanese. This is a massive opportunity to create a multi-language YouTube channel. Now you can effortlessly convert a script from English into any other language with a professional sounding voiceover. Let's listen to the English voiceover.
Hey there, I'm not an AI, I promise. I'm a real person and these are my own thoughts.
Now in Spanish.
Hola, no soy una inteligencia artificial, te lo prometo. Soy una persona real y estos son mis propios pensamientos.
Now I don't know how perfect it would sound to a native speaker since we all use some slang and imperfect grammar when actually speaking, but it seems to be pretty damn good. If you speak Spanish, let me know how it sounds in the comments. Cohesive AI makes it really easy to generate quality content, whether it's text or voice, but they also allow you to integrate into apps like WordPress or socials like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and more, which means you can generate and publish content all within one cohesive application. Now I can promise you AI still isn't good enough to generate a one-liner like that. Cohesive AI has 3 different plans with limits that renew every month. With the free plan, you have unlimited words, which is generous because some other apps will limit you. You have access to all the templates, of which there are over 200. As you can see, the list is very extensive and can apply to almost any field of work. Each plan limits your template runs per month. Basically, one template run equals one blog post generation or one YouTube script, etc. You can also generate images to use in blog posts, social media posts, ads, and anything else. Where the free plan falls short is with voice generation and integrations. It's enough to test it out, but if you really want to use this for substantial content generation, you'll likely need to upgrade to the creator plan. The creator plan allows for many more template runs and images. You have access to all the different voices and up to 90 minutes of voice generation. Let's say a video is 8 minutes on average. That's around 12 videos per month with full AI voiceover. You'll also be able to integrate into WordPress and other social apps to publish content automatically. You can collaborate with editors on your team and download text and audio without any watermarks. For the production of a single video, a human writer and voiceover artist could easily cost over $100. For $25 monthly or $15 a month billed annually, Cohesive AI seems like a great deal if you need help with content generation and especially voiceovers. You can easily outline, script, and voice 8 to 10 quality videos, create full-length blog posts, or any type of social content you need. While Cohesive AI seems to have almost all the features you would need to produce quality content, there's still a few hiccups. But before I get into those, please take a second and subscribe. I've got more AI content coming soon. The hiccups I'm referring to are not exactly of the Cohesive platform itself, but more of the artificial intelligence behind the scenes and AI in general. Like many AI tools, this is still a newer field with developments happening all the time. AI isn't perfect and makes mistakes from time to time, no matter the tool or the program. AI image generators still struggle with details like producing accurate human hands and fingers, and they can create some wonky images from time to time. Similarly, text generators can have their pitfalls too. They are not literally creating new information, but rather drawing from data and information that already exists online and from other sources, and then compiling it based on your input requirements. Some of the data it draws from could be unclear, unverified, or downright false. So you can't fully trust everything a text generator writes. With all AI tools, I think they should be just that, a tool. They should not be a complete replacement for any human intervention. A chef utilizes different knives and ingredients in a kitchen to create a tasty dish, but it still takes that human touch and perspective to create something unique. Likewise, a content creator can use the tools within Cohesive AI to produce high quality content, but let it serve as a foundation for you to add your own insight, knowledge, and creativity. Otherwise, we'll soon be stuck in a sea of boring, duplicated, and soulless content. If you're on the fence and looking for a reason why you should get into content creation, I think Cohesive AI is a pretty good reason. I'd love to hear how you would use Cohesive AI to create content, so let me know in the comments. If you want to try out Cohesive AI, you can use my affiliate link in the description. I receive a small commission if you decide to sign up for a paid plan, and this helps support the channel so I can continue to make content on AI. Cohesive AI combines the features of multiple different AI tools and presents them in an easy to use platform, which could easily be the hub for all of your content creation needs. Whether it's script writing, blog posts, voiceovers, and likely a lot more in the future, Cohesive AI seems to be a no-brainer to aid in your content journey.